Hi, my name is Chip Brown. I teach computer programming and Microsoft Office applications classes at a local business college here in Utah, at Steven Seneca Business College. And I also create practice tests for Microsoft Office Application Specialist certifications. Today, we're going to learn how to create a query that uses more than one field.
Microsoft Access is a registered trademark of Microsoft Corporation. I am not affiliated with Microsoft Corporation. Creating a query with more than one field is very simple. We will run the Query Wizard. On the Create tab, in the Other group, click Query Wizard. Next, choose Simple Query Wizard. Here, we select the table and one or more fields from that table. Here we've chosen more than one field from the customer's table. We can title our query and open it when we run it. Here is the query returning the fields of ID, company, last name, first name, and email address. This is how you create a query with more than one field. For more information, visit me, Chip Brown, at chipbrown.com. That's Brown with an E.